Hi everyone, welcome to General Biology. My name is Sandra Collins and I'm going to be your instructor for the semester. All right, so a little bit about myself. I've been teaching here at Chaffey College for 20 years. Yes, 20 years. I've taught anatomy for like 10 years, physiology for 7 years, and then I've been teaching general biology. I truly like to teach general biology. It's a challenge in the sense that most people in general biology are just taking it because it's general ed and they're not into biology. But I like to think of, how can I get you into it? How can I show you how important biology is and how biology relates to your life? I don't know why the screen is doing that. Welcome. Okay, that's number one. Number two, this is my first time teaching a hybrid class. So the online portion is going to be the lecture portion, and then I'll be meeting you for face-to-face. So for you guys, it's either going to be my Monday class face-to-face or my Wednesday class face-to-face for lab. So I'll see you then. Course overview. Basically, since this is the first time I'm teaching this class, I will be posting things week by week. So for example, you're going to see week 1, you click to week 1, and then you'll see what we're going to be doing. So I'll have PowerPoints, so narrated PowerPoints. I'll have readings that I'd like you to do. I'd also have homeworks to try to get you to understand the information. And then I'll have quizzes to check for understanding. The exams, we will be doing the exams in lab, so it'll be the face-to-face portion. We will have quizzes online. We'll have possibly discussions, video chats online. Your first assignment is going to be to create a profile picture. I show you how to do that. There's a little tutorial. Also, if you've never done Canvas before, you can click on the technical tips and help. It'll show you what you'll need, and if you have any questions, maybe to help troubleshoot. There's a Canvas orientation video, so if you click on that link, it's about 10 minutes, and it's pretty good. So it'll give you a nice little overview about Canvas. You'll see the syllabus. Please look at the syllabus, please. And I have a little video where I go through the syllabus and the parts of the course. The course is basically going to be divided into 4 parts. The first part is going to be kind of scientific method, and we're building our way up. So how do we do science? How do we know science? Then we're going to get into, so that's going to be the first part of the course, the first quarter. We'll talk about chemistry, chemicals, water, carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and then cells and photosynthesis and respiration. And then we'll have our first exam. Then the second part of the course will be DNA, gene expression, genetics, heredity. That'll be the second part of the course, and we'll have an exam. Then we'll have evolution, talking about natural selection, talk about Darwin, talking about communities and so on, and then an exam. And lastly is going to be ecology, and ecology is about our house. It's about our earth. So population ecology, ecosystems, and then we'll talk about biodiversity and conservation biology, and then that'll be the end of the course. So it's an overview. It's a general biology course. So we're doing a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and so on. Welcome. So I will have, like I said, PowerPoints, readings, assignments, and I'll see you face to face. So we'll be talking then. All right, thanks. Bye.